Hey guys, we got PDF files we're working with today with, I think this one's Hella Jeff, and that's Sweet Bro, or maybe the other way around. Either way, let's look at some PNG files. We're going to turn that into a PDF, or as I like to call it, portable document format. Okay, so I'm going to click on one of these PNGs here, highlight it, Control A, and I've got this PDF arranger over here I'm going to drag it into. Or, and again, this works on Linux, Mac, Windows, whatever. Click right here, just have the first one highlighted, hold down Shift, and whoa, selected a range. So I wanted to start from this right here all the way to this. Hold down Shift, click on the thingy. Whoa, it's magic. Then you can hold down Control, start selecting other ones with Control held. Or if I wanted to deselect, you could also hold down Control. Or I could just do Control A and get on with this segment. It's this part's gonna take a minute here. I just dragged it over. It's getting there. I may have also copied it and may need to do a Control Z. Either way, PDF Arranger is like a front end for pikepdf. This Python library for PDF files. Super helpful. It's like a monolithic kind of thingy. Bunch of PDF stuff. All thrown into this nice little front end here. You can drag and drop stuff. Again, get it on all the systems. We're going to grab it for the Windows right here. If you're doing this on Linux, though, I'd definitely get it from FlatHub. Probably not like a Snap. You know. Or, you know, you could just get it from your package maintainer if it's in like your regular repos. But in the Windows world, we'll just click here, get our simple MSI. So here's the latest release. We'll scroll down, and there we go, MSI. Or if you want, there's a portable here. So this one's a portable executable. This zip file here, you unzip it, has the portable executable. That way you don't have to install it. But if you're like me and you just want to install it, MSI. Okay, it's oh, okay. So I'm gonna go ahead, take all those out, maybe Control Z this whole thing here, see if I can get that back under control. Let's see, is that back? There we go. Okay, and we're copied. So you'll see on here, some of these are going to be 2 pages as like one image, and that's going to be a problem if you want it as a PDF, you want it to be readable. Close out of this here. So what we're going to do, highlight all these here, the Control A, and then I'm going to hold down Control and just click on this first page, that deselects it. Hold down Control, click on the second page to deselect it. Scroll all the way to the bottom, hold down Control on that page, hold down Control, click on that page too. That way, it's only going to be the pages that have 2 pages in them that we're going to split up. So, got all these selected. I do the little lines over here. Got Edit, and then from Edit, we're going to do this. Got this split pages here. Now it's merge pages. There's also a merge pages if you wanted to do that, but we're going to go back here. Split pages. Already has it set up for you. It assumes it's going to be like a 50-50 split right here. We'll hit OK. And then boom. Got that. Then there's this little down arrow in the top left. I'm going to click on that. But before that, if you want to, you could always like highlight, delete a page, highlight, delete another page, edit stuff, all sorts of great stuff you can do with this program. You could throw PDFs into it, you could throw images into it, it'll combine all of them. And hit this little little down save as arrow here, and then I'm just gonna call it Umihara. Yep. It's gonna generate it. Let's go up one directory here. Oh, there it is. Not too bad. 100 megabytes. Let's zoom out here. Then, oh cool. Yeah, number 2, page 3, page 4, page 5. All just a little bit more readable like this. And I'd recommend seeking this book out if you're like an Umihara Kawase person. It's got a lot of cool insight from the artist of it. So take a look at this part right here. Got their desk where they drew all the game. Over here, nice little Gundam. This is where I want my game being drawn. This exact desk with the oh, I use Copic. That's pretty cool. So definitely check that out. And also, if you want to turn this PDF back into images, I got a separate video on this. I'll just link it just in case you're into that kind of thing. Peace. Oh yeah, I gotta say something about Boogie, I guess.